Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about luck and how you can create more luck with Feng Shui. So what is luck? By definition, luck means success or failure apparently brought by chance rather than through one's own action. And we often experience luck in four ways. The first category of luck is luck that is outside of your control. Blind luck, for example, is what most people associate with luck, like winning the lottery or being born into a wealthy family. It is completely random and totally outside of your control. The second category of luck is the luck within your control. This includes creating your own luck. You see luck as a skill that you can work on and improve upon, instead of waiting around for luck to strike like everyone else. According to entrepreneur Jason Roberts, he defines luck as being directly proportional to you doing something that you're passionate about, combined with the total number of people to whom this is effectively communicated. Essentially, luck equals doing plus telling. The doing part helps you to discover luck. This is where you have deep expertise or knowledge in a certain area to the point where you start to notice trends. And when you act upon these trends, like investing in the market or creating your own startup, you get to reap the reward ahead of everyone else. The telling part helps you to attract luck. By telling as many people as possible, you are effectively widening your luck surface for the right people to find you in unexpected ways. This is the relationship with luck that most people are striving for, and what most successful people would say is the main contributing factor to their success. It is the result of thousands of micro actions they take daily that puts them in a position where luck is more likely to strike. As Seneca says, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. So you might be wondering, what does Feng Shui have to do with luck? Well, in Chinese metaphysics, there are three kinds of cosmic luck. They are the heaven, earth, and mankind luck. The heaven luck equates to blind luck, where you don't have much control over the result. Heaven luck represents the movement of the planets and stars in the cosmos and how their alignment impacts you through astrology. Just like you can't control what time you're born, nor can you control whether your family is poor or wealthy. This level of luck is purely random. Mankind luck, on the other hand, is solely in your control. This is where you can apply your hard work and intellect to pull people into your orbit and create your own luck. Earth luck represents the influence of electromagnetic forces in nature and its impact on your well-being. Feng Shui is part of the earth luck, and it is the bridge that links your heaven and your mankind luck together. So how does this work? In advanced Feng Shui, we don't just look at your space in isolation. We go one step further and check your affinity with your house. That way, when we activate the space for better health, better relationship, or more wealth, we can do so in an auspicious direction and on an auspicious date that is based on your birth chart. But at a more simplified level, it is to ensure that your Feng Shui is helping to minimize any challenges indicated on your birth chart. For example, if you live in a multi-generation household, each generation is at a different stage with a different priority. The grandparents are primarily concerned with health and vitality. In contrast, the younger generation is more focused on achieving their ambition. So if their energetic blueprint indicates that the grandparents are living in a space that is great for wealth generating activity but bad for health, and vice versa for the younger couple, then they are each living in a space that is not suitable for them. By knowing their energetic blueprint, they can then take action to change how they utilize their space. But simply moving rooms is not the only thing you can do. The other important factor that enables Feng Shui to be your force multiplier is in the Feng Shui activation. It is not about carrying a certain talisman for good luck. That's superstition that is often wrongly associated with Feng Shui. Feng Shui activation is when you mobilize qi in the auspicious direction of your home to cast a broader signal to help you gain momentum. In comparison, this luck equation is solely from the mankind luck perspective. It assumes that the more you do and the more people you tell, the bigger your luck surface. But the reality is that our individual time and capacity are finite, and we will ultimately reach a limit. On the other hand, with Feng Shui, you essentially have 2/3 of the cosmic luck supporting you. Your Feng Shui activation works alongside your mankind luck, creating an invisible force to help you succeed. Richard Wiseman, the author of The Luck Factor, in his extensive research, pointed to lucky people being the ones who were willing to continuously experiment and try new things. So even if you are not a believer in Feng Shui, keep an open mind and try it before you judge its efficacy. You never know what luck might strike for you. If you're interested in finding out your space's energetic blueprint, you can join my Feng Shui lab and explore the hidden layer of your space and how it impacts your well-being. If you like this video, you might also like to check out my video where I debunk some of the more popular Feng Shui myths. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.